Welcome to 5.8, the MOSI, Medial Oblique Shell Inclination. A lot of work done in this field by Paul Harradine. Again, you can have a look at the research that he's done in there. Essentially, same thing, and we're just giving the ultimate variation of what you want on the medial side, similar to the lateral side. So frontal plane, sagittal plane and transverse plane, left and right feet, you indicate what angles that you want, and that's what's reproduced exact to your order. Again, relate this to the medial heel cup height that you have. You need enough space within there to do this. But again, we solve a lot of the problems that practitioners have with regard to understanding where to put these things by giving you either an indication of what's the range and or showing you the problems that are occurring when and if you get these two out of whack compared to the medial heel height. But you'll see that through the electronic submission pathway that we're providing shortly. Okay, I'll see you at Fascial Grooves.